Aries, what's poppin', Aries? How y'all doing? Ain't no song playing right now. Yeah. There we go. Walked in. That's it, right? Just walked in. So you may be walking in or out of a toxic situation, habit, person, place, or thing. You realize this aspect, this character trait, this job, this person ain't worth investing your time and or energy to. So you walking into a new space, you're walking into a new realm, or you may be trying to come up with ideas on how you can walk into a situation. Look, Page of Cups in reverse. Upright. It's like you trying to come up with ideas on how you can express something regarding your emotions. Whether that's express how something makes you feel, or just like start expressing a business. If you want to start a business, you're trying to come up with ideas, or you can't because it's like you don't want to be toxic or negative towards whatever this is because you used to being that way. It's like you used to acting a certain type of way and you're not trying to act that way no more. And because you're not trying to act that way, it's kind of hard for you to come up with some ideas on how you could approach a situation. Because it's like you gotta come as a new character almost. Look, that was third card out. Six of Cups in reverse, Six of Coins in reverse. All right, you may feel like you're in a state of lack as to how it's like you can't. You may be trying to come up with a plan for something because you know you want to go in a new direction. You know you want to tackle something. Whether this is you want to start a new business, you want to go on a new job, you want to get a new relationship, you want to start a new habit, hobby, passion. You want to invest your energy into something new. Look, behind the four was the Page of Wands. You're passionate about something. You want to start something new, but you don't know how. You can't come up with mentalities and ideas on how you could bring balance to a situation. You feel me? Whether that's you by giving to someone or just it's like you can't come up. And then on the bottom, on the bias, you can't come up with ideas on how to work on something. You want to bring balance to something. You want to do something. You thinking hard regarding something. You can't put your tongue on it though. Can't quite put your tongue on it. You trying to walk in on something. Third card out for Aries. Boom, what I told you, bro. You trying to come up with something. You're trying to make some shit shake. You just can't quite put your tongue on it though. You feel me? It's like you thinking hard regarding something. You trying to fix. If you want to say you trying to fix something, then you trying to fix something. You trying to come up with ideas on how you could bring the truth to something. It's either you know the truth, and because you know the truth, you ready to go in a new direction. But you don't quite know what direction to go in. You thinking about what you could do. Maybe I could do this. I wonder how it'll be if I go down this path. See, look, you may be in this probably because you don't want to look at something a different way. With the Hangman in reverse, you know you need to look at something a different way. You ain't trying to look at it a different way though, and then that may be causing you to give off toxic energy. That's why all these shits in reverse. It's like because you don't want to change your perspective, even though you know whether you dealing with a high priestess, someone who knows the truth, or you know the truth regarding something. You know the truth and you want to go in a new direction regarding something. But you trying to do that, but you still being toxic though. You don't want to stop being how you are being in order to plant this seed. Or you don't want to stop thinking the way you are thinking. Look, behind that is the Emperor. You know you got Emperor potential. You know you could take charge and be just and or true about whatever the situation is, but you may not want to do that. It's like whether you are stuck on a habit, a way of thinking, a way of being, a person, a place. It's like you're clinging on to something you know isn't good for you. You're chained. You feel like you're chained and or stuck to the devil. Toxic habit, person, place, or thing. And because of that, you can't come up with ideas because you are in a negative energy space. And because of that, you can't bring balance to something. You can't plant a new seed. You can't start anew until you get rid of the old. You feel me? Someone that's playing is that go. So now you know what you need to do. Go ahead and handle that. I'ma fuck with you.